Okay, so we added some functionality to make the system easier, more efficient for dropship companies. So let's kind of maybe walk through how that looks. I'm going to start with the sales order. So the idea here is we're assuming that what starts the process is when you receive a PO from a customer, and that will cause you to then create a sales order in VISCO. So click this plus button to say I want to create a new sales order. And first step is to enter what customer we're talking about. Let's say it's this company, all country. And a lot of the details get filled in here. I'm gonna just go into the line details and we'll select the product. So it's ADC. And I'll enter quantity. Now it's going to pre-fill with that customer's price for that item. We could make an adjustment at this point if we wanted to, and that will then update their default price for next time. In this case, I'm just going to leave it as is. And then I'm going to check this box to auto generate purchase order. So this is an important point here. So there are more complex options here that probably don't apply in the case of a straight dropship situation. But if you click this link to auto generate PO with options, the idea here is you can take this sales order and then split it into multiple purchase orders. And you can also set who the vendor is on each of those purchase orders. But in the case of a straight dropship situation, the assumption being that it's going to be a one-to-one scenario here, a single purchase order, shipping direct and associated with a single sales order. So I'm just going to check that box. It automatically then creates the PO and links this PO with the sales order. So the purchase order number is now 8138. I can click into that purchase order. And if I wanted to, I could go in here and update pricing. I could update the shipping schedule if we wanted to. It's pre-filling with today's date on the shipping schedule, but we could update that if we want to. And then right from here, we can also create a new container. So you click this button, it's going to create a new container, which if you've not already done so, I mean, you can set the status to issued initially and then create new container. But if you just click this button, it's going to do the issue step and to create the new container. So I can click directly into that container here. And now I'm managing the container. It's already pre-filled with all the items on that PO. And I'm just updating the logistics information, or I'm going to let the system do that for me automatically. So if I set that to auto track, then the system will automatically do the tracking for us on that. A separate video.